Well, hello there, YouTube. It's a beautiful day. It's Saturday, what is it, March 4th. The leaves are turning green, the grass is turning green. My trees are starting to come out in the backyard. My grass, the sod is, you can see the green coming up through it. We had a lot of rain here again. Thursday night, a big storm squall came through. It dropped 20 degrees. But it was a big storm. Even a house in our neighborhood on the main street lost some shingles. The wind was so strong. Look at the trees turning green. I love it. I went out and shot a couple of softball games yesterday. I'm going to go back and shoot one more today. It's a tournament going on, but I'm going to shoot two teams that I haven't shot yet. I don't like to shoot the same teams over and over and over. You got the pretty flowers coming out. It's nice out. Game's not till 3, so I got a few hours. 3:20. I won't go far. What a nice day, though. I just got a sweatshirt on it. Not too bad. It says it's 70, but it's really not yet. This thing's always a little warmer than it says. Than it really is. But it's going to be 70, I think 72 today tops. I put all my camera gear in the Goldwing. It doesn't all fit in this thing. I take a 400 2.8 on one camera and a 300 2.8 on the other, because sometimes a 400 can be big. I have to shoot over the fence, and I'm always kind of out past the infield, so it's kind of tough to get the infield, but I get some. I don't know where the Cattle Mill softball field is. I have no clue. I don't think it's back here because it's just a football field. I have no clue where it's not by the baseball field. At least I didn't see it. Go try it. No, they got one. I just don't know where it is. They should put everything here. Rebuild that stadium and seating and stands and field house, and that's a brand new school, but they still play at the old place down here. I have no idea where the softball field is. I didn't see it at the baseball field. Bye. Did I get it? Maybe I didn't. Well, I guess it's working again. I shut it off. It didn't shut off. So I'm still gonna go try and find the softball field. I've never seen it. There's a donut shop right here we always go to. It's got good stuff. Baker's Dozen. It's got really good stuff. My favorite little pizza place is right here. Mona Lisa Pizza. Man, I love the chicken Alfredo Supreme. They make their own Alfredo sauce. It's really good. That's my favorite. Bye. Okay, there's softball fields at the middle school. That's crazy. Not really tall fences, so I got nothing to shoot through except net. So I won't be coming here. fences are too tall. At the middle school. Wow, that's crazy. Why don't they build everything at one high school? Well, at the new high school. You're gonna redo everything. Bye. We've had some pretty heavy rain here and wind on Thursday. And these houses up here have no protection from trees. There's one house up here that lost part of its roof, or shingles anyway. Lost a lot of shingles. Got these little guys out here, gotta watch them. Right there, see that roof with the shingles right up there? Got a whole bunch of shingles that blew off. That kind of sucks. That house is getting pretty done. I'd love to get out and work in we had the back acre cleared out, and it looks really nice. It looks like a park back there, but it's so wet. We've had so much rain, and it just never dries up. There's standing water back there. This creek here, when we had a really, really heavy rain, it was full. This creek here went all the way up into my yard right over there, all the way up next to the wood pile. You can see my wood pile behind that trail. See that wood pile way back there? The water came up to that wood pile. I'd love to get out and do some work. I mean, all I need to do was like a brush whacker that I have on my steel. And I took some of that stuff down. That's just little small stuff in between the trees. But I can't get back there. It's so stinking muddy. It is so muddy. Look at the water just coming out of my yard. There's just so much water. I think my yard's flooded right in here all the time. But back there, it's just so muddy, so I can't get back there. Bye. Oh, this thing's still going. I shut it off and it's still going. Crazy, crazy GoPro. Build my wife's bandsaw. I just haven't finished it. It's been sitting there a long time. Okay, let's see if it shuts off now. There's my office right over there. I got all the camera equipment in that one because it holds it.